Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez with creatingwithali.com, and I'm super excited as I am releasing the Stamp a Stack number 4 out of the 2025 Christmas card class series. Now this one is featuring the Jolly Delivery, which I'll talk here in a second, but if you're new to me, please know that every year I release a series of Stamp a Stacks, so it's usually 5, and every month I release one of those classes. On each of the classes I design 4 cards, and then you get to make 3 of each of them, so you make 12 cards total every month. Now this is a way for me to help you get ready for the holidays early and also without the stress. Plus, who doesn't like to make Christmas cards, right? So anyway, so like I said, this is the 4th one out of the 5, and if you're interested or if you just find out about it, but if you want to get the previous card classes, you can get the tutorials at my store at creatingwithali.com/shop. There will be a link on the description below, so you please check it out if you're interested in that. And so let me now talk about the 4 card class. And like I said, there's going to be one more, and then we finalize this series. So also, when you make all the cards from the full series, you end up with 60 cards ready to go, right? So how exciting is that? So anyway, so like I said, this is number 4. I do have several options. So the first option is for those of you who want to get the kit to make the cards. So it will include the cardstock already cut out, and also anything that is not included on the dies, like the circle, the heart, this label, I will be cutting it out for you. Also, the embossed cardstock will also come already embossed on your kit. You do need to cut out your designer series paper, and of course I don't send any stamp images, so you'll have to stamp and cut out all of these images from the bundle. Talking about the bundle, let me just show you the bundle. This is what we're featuring in this month. Is the Jolly Delivery, which I just love. It has the cutest critters, and while I only focus on the dog and the bear because I love dogs and I love bears, there's also a cute badger that you can definitely use, and there's also this cat that you can use. If you're a cat person, definitely use that one. I am definitely a dog person, so I wanted to use that one. There is a mailbox as well that I fell in love with, and I pretty much use it on all the cards. And then there's also this set of cards that you can put through the slit of this mailbox. So check out, like I said in my video, there's one video tutorial on how to kind of assemble that part, so check it out. I know you're gonna love it. Also, this die set, this bundle comes with a die set that cut out all the images from the set. Like all of them have a die set, plus it has a die set that cut out a treat box. Now the treat box is really cute because you can customize the closure. You can have a heart, a star, or a circle, which I know you're gonna love playing with this as you're making this. Now, well, this card class pretty much is for cards, right? You could actually use whatever you have left over from the designer series paper and use some cardstock and make some of these treat holders so that you can customize it and give them with your cards. I think this is going to be really cute. I think you can put like the little what are those called? Chocolates. I think those will be really, the squares, I think that will be really cute to have on those. And so you can gift the card with one of those. I mean, I think that would be a fantastic idea. So anyway, so I feel like you definitely want to have this set. And there is going to be an option for you to add it on your kit, because like I said, I don't send any stamp images. So you definitely need to have this bundle to be able to recreate the cards. And of course you can substitute with anything you have, but I mean, this mailbox with the letters goes really nice on this set. So anyway, so again, there's going to be an option for you to add it on. So for the option 1, like I said, it's the make and take kit. You get the kit to make the 12 cards, everything cut out and embossed from the things not included in the bundle. You're going to be getting also a full pack of the Dear Dots, a full spool of the About Me Blue sheer ribbon, and then you'll also be getting a pack of the what is this called, the North Pole Delivery. Yeah, North Pole Delivery, which has an ephemera packs that you can also use to customize your cards. Like I said, I went with coloring the bears and the dogs, but you can change those pretty much with like a fox, a squirrels, there's more dogs, there's more cats, there's some bears. Anyway, there's a lot of other pieces that you can use on your cards for sure. So anyway, like I said, this is a very exciting one, and I'm very happy with how the cards turned out. Now, option 1 for those of you who want everything, right? it's going to be $75. Again, you also need to include the bundle for that option, but I'll have it on the description. Sorry, yeah, on the registration link. And then I also have another option for those of you who already have the designer series paper, the bundle, the dots, everything. You just want to know how to do it. This is a great option for those of you who are already demonstrators or are in another region, or you already have all the supplies and you want to just do your own thing. That option is also available. It's $20 and it's also available on my registration link. Now, the registration link is below on the description of this video. I'm also going to be sending it on my email, so make sure you're on the email list, which is also below in the description. That way you can get reminders and also other cart classes that I am releasing through the holidays. So anyway, make sure you are subscribed to the mailing list. But the registration link for this cart class is below, and you can get the tutorial only or the make and take, and then also you can choose the option to add the bundle to your kit. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this class. I hope you join me, and I hope you get ready to make your cart classes, to Christmas cards ready to go for this holiday. So anyway, so thank you so much. I really appreciate it and hope to see you in the class. Bye for now.